Greetings to all. My name is Akshara Raidkar and I study in Standard 9 Division C. This is my setup for the DIY science project in which I will be constructing a hydrometer. The aim of this project is to verify liquid behavior with the change in...
You will need 2 glasses of water, common salt, paper clip and a straw, permanent marker and a scale. We will use a straw with one end sealed and fixed with a paper pin to make it float. This will be dipped in 2 kinds of water solutions, namely normal tap water and concentrated water with dissolved salt. The float prepared will be dipped in both the solutions one by one, and the portion of float left out above water will be marked with a permanent marker and will be measured with a scale. In normal tap water, the level of float sinking was found to be more. The level of float in salt solution was lesser. This concludes that the density of salt water was higher than that of tap water. When density of water is higher, objects float. When density is more, objects sink.